Hi, my name is Jenna Quinn and I'm a staff member at ACES Connection. I'm here today to show community managers how to send a message to all of their community members. To start off, make sure you're on the Members tab of your community page. Then click Manage Members on the right-hand side. Now click the All Members tab. This page brings you to where you can view all of your members. You can click Select All on this page, or individually select or deselect who you would like to send a message to. Then scroll to the bottom of the page, click on the drop-down menu, and click Notify Members. This then brings up a new panel where you're able to type in the subject for your message and add the body of your message. You're also able to add images, links, attachments, or anything else that you'd be able to put in a normal blog post. Then click Send Notification.